So feedback, body senses the changes and react to correct. It can be negative, it can be positive. So when we sense some change and try to correct, it is the physiological mechanism. So it is called as negative feedback. It opposes the deviation. Suppose BP is high, it will make it low. Pulse is high, it will make it low. And that is called as negative feedback. It is the most common in physiology because it is trying to regain the homeostasis. Suppose you are doing exercise, your BP is 160. After 15 minutes, it will come down. It is negative feedback. On the other hand, positive feedback amplifies the change. Suppose my BP is high and some receptor is making it higher and higher. Or in the shock, if BP is low, it keep on making it lower and lower. It becomes pathology. It is called as positive feedback. So usually positive feedback are pathological, except few examples. Now, what is gain? Gain is equal to correction upon error. Higher is the gain means better is the correction. Lower is the gain means lower is the correction. Infinite gain occurs only when system completely correct the error. So error is zero. Only when error is zero, gain can be infinite. And the example, as you know, kidney water correction, osmoregulation is the example of infinite gain. This is asked again and again. The water correction by kidney, osmoregulation. Why? Because when plasma osmolarity rises, kidney adjusts water reabsorption perfectly to restore osmolarity with no residual error. On the other hand, when BP is high or BP is low, pyroreceptor reflex also have high gain but not infinite. So our BP regulation is also good. It has high gain but not infinite. What is the clinical significance of the gain? Infinite gain means perfect control. Low gain means failed feedback, like the disease like diabetes insipidus. Positive feedback are the example of, for example, labor contraction. The mnemonic is claps. The mnemonic for positive feedback is claps. C for clotting. L for LS surge. A for action potential. P for parturition. S for shock. So these are example of positive feedback mechanism. So these all are feedback, not feed forward. Temperature regulation, which is given in your one of the option. This is example of feed forward. Feed forward. So whenever you are working in anticipation, for example, if you go to cold climate, even before your temperature changes, you start shivering. So that is called as feed forward. Temperature regulation and cerebellum working is the example of feed forward, not feedback.